What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. I just picked up a new truck and I'm going to show you around it. So what I got here is a 2008 Nissan Titan. It's the 4x4 model with the V8 5.6 liter. My plans for this truck are to pull the engine and transmission out, and I'm going to put them in the Mustang. I'm going to show you around the better side of this truck first. Starting up front, there really isn't any damage up here. We got a nice brush guard, the tires are fine, bumper. The hood still opens, which is surprising. Going on this side, running boards are good. The doors are a little dinged up right here. They don't close right because of some roof damage, which I will show you next. Going inside here, you can see kind of the damage. There are some nice leather seats, which are pretty cool, but man, you can start to see what really happened here. This entire roof caved in from a tree, smashed the windshield, smashed the steering wheel. Oh man, that is a mess. All right, now let me show you guys the mayhem. Look at how this thing was crushed in right here. This is ridiculous. This is the top of the roof right here. It's lower than the middle of the seat. This thing is absolutely demolished. All right, the first thing we need to do is go ahead and get the hood and the front fenders and the bumper off so we can have access to the radiator. Now that we've got the bumper off, we can go ahead and get to the core support and take that off, and we can get to the radiator and the fans. First, we're gonna drain the fluids out of this guy because we're gonna try to pull that motor and transmission out today. So start draining the coolant. All right, everybody, we got a ton of work done on this Titan today. I've got the engine just about ready to come out. You can see it's pretty much stripped down. I've got the manifolds loose on there. The problem is they're hitting the engine mounts, so I'm gonna have to loosen those up and then lift the entire engine up. I should be able to sneak it out. Got the AC pump over there, power steering. I kept those all together. Last thing I got to do for this intake is take off this fuel rail inlet right here. And just like that, the wiring harness is out of the truck. There's so much more space here. Plus it'll give us an opportunity to cut these fender wells off right here so we can get to this motor and transmission easier. And there you have it. We've got the engine and the transmission out of the donor Titan and ready to start prepping for the Mustang. If you guys haven't already checked it out, go ahead and look at my other video that shows me completely tearing apart that entire truck in 14 minutes.